Welcome to the final section of our module on robust programming. We have covered runtime errors with exceptions and historical logging. Now, we introduce a tool for debugging internal programming logic during development. Assertions. Assertions are sanity checks. They test if an assumption you made about the code state is true. 1. The assert syntax. The assert statement takes a condition and an optional message. If the condition is true, nothing happens, and execution continues. If the condition is false, Python raises an assertion error, immediately stopping the program and displaying the optional message. The failure of an assertion indicates an internal bug that needs fixing, not an expected runtime event. 2. Assertions versus exceptions. This is a critical distinction. Assertions are for programmers and should only check for conditions that should never happen if your logic is correct, such as checking if a variable is not none after an operation guaranteed to return a value. Exceptions are for users and handle expected runtime failures, like a file being missing or bad user input. 3. The dangers of assertions. Assertions can be globally disabled when Python is run with the optimization flag -o. When disabled, Python completely ignores the assertion statement, including any side effects. Therefore, you must never include essential code inside an assertion condition, such as calling a function that performs a critical calculation or I/O. To summarize, use assert to catch bugs in your own logic quickly. Okay, you have now learned exception handling, logging, and assertions, the core tools for writing robust Python applications. Okay, we are going to the next section, section 23. Our next lecture is 23.01. Introduction. See you there.